distinguished guests, proud parents, esteemed teachers, and most importantly, us, our dear graduates. As we gather here today to celebrate the culmination of a significant chapter in our young lives, we are filled with inspired and optimism for the future. Today is not just a day of celebration, but also a day of reflection and anticipation for the bright futures that lie ahead. To us graduates, we have reached an important milestone. Completing grade 6 is a remarkable achievement, a testament to our hard work, dedication, and perseverance. We have shown resilience in the studies, adaptability in times of change, and a commitment to learning that will serve us well in years to come. As we stand on the brink of that new adventure, remember that education is not just about acquiring knowledge, it is about developing the wisdom to use that knowledge for the greater good. We are the future leaders, innovators, and visionaries of the new Philippines. Our actions, our choices, and our dreams will shape the future of our nation. Carry forward the values of excellence and integrity that have been instilled in us. Strive to be the best in all our endeavors, but always with a heart that seeks to uplift others. True success is not measured by personal gain, but by the positive impact we make on our community. Never lose our sense of curiosity. The world is full of opportunities waiting to be discovered. Be bold in our pursuits and innovative in our thinking. Challenge status quo and seek new solutions to the problems facing our society. Our fresh perspectives and youthful energy are powerful tools for change. In our journey ahead, always remember to be compassionate and empathetic. The strength of a nation lies in the unity and kindness of its people. Support one another, respect differences, and work together towards common goals. A strong community is built on a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. As we transition to the next phase of our educational journey, remember that this is just the beginning. There will be challenges and obstacles, but each one is an opportunity for growth and learning. Stay determined, stay focused, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Our potential is limitless. In closing, let me remind you that you are not alone on this journey. We have the support of our families, community, and teachers. We all believe in our abilities and are excited to see the incredible things we will achieve. Congratulations to us graduates. Here's to a future full of promise, to the remarkable contributions we'll make, and to the strong, prosperous Philippines we will help build. Mabuhay ang kabatang Pilipino! Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas!